If you've pretty much completed all of Netflix and the idea of spending another day on the sofa looking at memes is too much to bear, it's time to change up your routine and get those creative juices flowing. This free time presents us with opportunities to do things which we've always wanted to do or like to do more of. From learning a new language to organizing your wardrobe, updating your CV to writing a novel, there are plenty of productive things you can take up to pass the time. Watch this video to find out the 10 most productive things you can do during this lockdown. Enroll in a free course. With a lot of online learning platforms offering free or discounted prices for their courses, this lockdown period could be used to improve your resume and build up your knowledge base. Learn cooking. David Beckham and Deepika Padukone are among those who are using their time in lockdown to improve their cooking skills. With an array of recipe books at your disposal, you can start with basics and work your way up to Michelin-star dishes. Organize your wardrobe. Most of us have at least one dress that we know we'll never wear again, or a pair of jeans that just don't fit the way they used to. It's time to declutter your wardrobe and get rid of those sad pieces that no longer see the light of day. You can pass them on to friends and family or donate them to charity. Learn to play an instrument. Dust off that keyboard, retune that guitar, and start learning them and fill your days with the sound of music. With so much free time, it's never been easier to pick up a new skill. Well, now you have it at your disposal. So go ahead. Declutter your phone. Aren't you tired of that pop-up that shows low storage space? Now you have plenty of time to delete those apps, photos, files and music that you don't need anymore. Start reading. Books exercise the brain, help us build our vocabularies, lower stress and also enhance our imagination. Whether you prefer fiction or non-fiction, there are many books available online for free that you could start reading. So what are you waiting for? Start a blog. If you enjoy writing, why not start a blog? Now you have the time to think and get creative as well. Set up a workout routine. Even though you can't hit the gym, there are plenty of exercises you can do at home and there are several YouTube tutorials that can guide you to fitness during this lockdown. Maybe you could take a 30-day challenge and a deadline would be helpful for you to keep at it. Keep socially active. Whether you're living with friends, family or by yourself, it is important to keep in touch with people to avoid loneliness. If you're still doing university work, consider setting up online study groups with your classmates to bring some semblance of normality to your week. Do some gardening. Sick of spending all your time indoors? Well, this time can be quite difficult. And this is also the time to transform your garden. So if you live in an apartment, then you can transform your balcony into a mini garden. If you have more such ideas to be productive during the lockdown, add it in our comment section below. Till then, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Explorified.